Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my easy lemon garlic shrimp. Okay, so for this recipe I'm using 1 pound of large shrimp. I'm going to put some water in my bowl and let it sit in there to thaw it out. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. While the shrimp is thawing, I want to go ahead and prepare some ingredients. Okay, so I want to go ahead and cut up my garlic. My parsley. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. I'm going to zest 1 lemon. As you know, shrimp doesn't take long to defrost, so I just changed out the water a couple times and then it was ready to peel. Okay, let's get started with the cooking. When you're cooking your pasta, you always want to make sure you generously salt the water. And when I put my pasta in the pot, I always break it. And I learned this from my hubby, so I've been doing it like this for a long time. But I know some people cringe just to see you do that. But hey, it works for me. And I'm cooking my pasta for 15 minutes. That's the way we like it. Okay, to my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that heat up, then add your shrimp to the pan. You are also going to add a half a teaspoon of salt to that and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a stir and let that cook for about 4 minutes. I love this dish because I love shrimp, but I love any kind of seafood, but shrimp and crab are my favorite. Now that they're nice and cooked, I'm going to take them out of the pan and set them aside. Now I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. I'm going to put it on number 4 because I don't want my butter to burn. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. To that I'm going to add the garlic. and the crushed red pepper flakes. Stir that and let that cook for 1 minute. Then you're going to add a 1/3 cup of white wine, and you can use any kind of white wine that you like. And the zest from the lemon. I'm going to turn back the heat up to number 5 on medium, and I'm going to let this cook for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add my cooked spaghetti to the pan, and I'm going to toss it to get coated in that deliciousness. I'm also going to add the cooked shrimp back to the pan, the parsley, and the juice from half of the lemon. At this point, you're finished, so you can turn off the stove. The way I like to serve it is to put it in my plate and then sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. Oh my goodness. This was so good. It was so simple to make, but so good. You can really taste the garlic and the butter in this dish. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.